On your own.
What's the matter?
So many kids in foster care, and it's just heartbreaking. And I found this adoption agency, and they're having an orientation.
Don't show me that. You're trying to break my heart. I just got home from work.
If I had a family, I wouldn't have to keep going to different schools.
He just wants to go to one school.
I wish I had a mommy and daddy to kiss me goodnight when I go to bed.
Oh, come on.
We found a great match for you guys. Most folks want nothing to do with teenagers.
They use drugs, and they watch people playing video games on YouTube.
Hi! Just FYI, we can all hear you. Bye-bye.
She comes with 2 younger siblings, Juan and Lita.
3 kids? Too much. Why would you show us that? What are we supposed to say no to that now?
Come here, look around.
Make yourself at home. And I'm not saying we're perfect parents. You want to play a little bit? But we might have a little bit of a knack for this. Oh, no! Are you sure?
Keep in mind, folks, it is not going to be easy.
Lindsay's favorite pastime is to just slam doors in our face. Pretend, Mom!
And Juan just doesn't use his head.
Kid dinged a Porsche.
Lita is just constantly having tantrums.
I don't want this!
Ow! No, we're not having chips tonight. Give those to me.
Lita, duck! I'm trying to put it on!
Sweetheart?
She's got a knife.
It's just a SpongeBob knife.
It's still a knife.
These kids will test your will.
Mom. Hi, honey. That's a marker. That's gonna be for like a week. Oh, dear.
But with some structure and love, these kids could blossom.
Should we give them a kiss goodnight?
You guys are overthinking this.
Let me fix it for you. Everything's gonna be okay.
Thanks, Daddy.
I got my first daddy.
Look, I want some of that. Can I help you with anything?
Nope.
Good night, buddy. Good night, Mommy. What? What did you say? What?